Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latini. Dudu Osun black soap is one of the most effective African black soap in Africa here, based on how you use it. This soap is formulated with good ingredients from Africa. It glows the skin, it brightens the skin, it clears skin problems. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my honest review on Dudu Osun Black African Soap. The name sounds so nice to me. Dudu Osun African Black Soap is one of the top touch trending soap on social media, especially on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat.
A lot of African black soaps used to dry me out until I started using. You babes know I do not play about double cleansing your body for clean, hydrated, and odor-free body hygiene. I always tell my girls to use a Castile soap or even better, an African black soap. And the Dudu Osun African black soap is my absolute favorite. It comes in 3 different scents. It comes in the fresh fragrance, the classic fragrance, and a fragrance free. I've been using the fresh fragrance. I love it so much. I actually use it to also double cleanse my hair. So I actually just did a wash day as well. And that's why I was like, oh yeah, I gotta share this with my girls. So I use it on my body, on my hair. It's even good for the face as well. This is how it looks. I just pulled mine out of the shower because like I said, I did just use it. But I love that it's so big and it lasts so long. And what makes this the best African black soap on the market is that the ingredients are actually sourced from a local farmer in Nigeria. And the ingredients not only deeply cleanses your skin, but it also nourishes, which I truly enjoy because a lot of African black soaps used to dry me out until I started using Dudu Osun. I use their fresh fragrance, but their classic fragrance is one of their popular. It's actually popular worldwide in other countries as well.
Never again will I underestimate the power of African black soap. When I lost my job, I realized that I just could not keep up with the expensive facials anymore. I just could not keep up with it, and that was that. I was gonna do my own skincare. And it was terrible because my skin was breaking out crazy all over, dark marks, pimples, and I was just not having it. I was going through a rough time in my life and my face was showing that I was going through a rough time, okay? And that's not okay. So I decided to go back to the basics, the product that always worked for me when I was in high school, in college, and I wanted to get my skin clear. It was African black soap, y'all. Oops, by Dudu Osun. This is the one that I use, and this is the one that works for me. Now, there were times I was trying all of these different products. You know, as girls, we want to try and see if these fancy new products work for us. I'm one of those girls. I love skincare, and after a while, I think I lost my way because this is the holy of grails for me. This cleanses my skin. It keeps it very tight. It also fades the dark marks. I don't know if it's the citrus components in this product, but I have not been using my fade cream for the last month or so because it's finished, and this has been getting my skin right. I'm gonna also insert a picture from before on this side to show you guys how my skin was, and you guys can see now how it looks. I'm telling you, I told my best friend, I was like, girl, I need to get back on this soap because this is a soap that works. And trust me, it does. It may not be for you because some people have very sensitive skin and can't deal with black soap, but trust and believe, it works. So if you want to try something to clear your face up and get it back on track, try African black soap.
Look, I have seen people sharing their testimony on this Dudu Osun African black soap. In fact, someone shared her testimony with me, and I really fell in love with the soap. So I decided to try it myself, and trust me, it's one of the best soap you can grab in the market and use on your face. And this video, I'll share with you guys what Dudu Osun African black soap is. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that I use to formulate the soap. I'll share with you guys who should use the soap, and I'll also share with you guys the exact roles it plays on the skin. I'll go deep into it and share with you guys how you should use it very well to achieve the exact skin tone that you want. And I'll also share with you guys the original one and then the fake one. I'll share with you guys the side effect of not using Dudu Osun African black soap very well. Beautiful people, Dudu Osun African black soap is formulated with African natural ingredients. Okay, this soap is good for all skin type. A combination skin person can use it, a normal skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, and also a normal skin person can also use it as well. Some few ingredients that I use to formulate Dudu Osun African black soaps are pure honey, shea butter, Osun or comwood. Okay, they use lemon juice, they use lime juice, they use water, and they also used fragrance. These are normal fruit extract or normal ingredients you can find in Africa. Okay, and they are very good for the skin. Okay, one thing I've noticed about this black soap is that it has a very nice fragrance. It smells so nice, it smells so nice. You can even use it on your skin without using a spray on yourself after bathing. Okay, now let's look at the type of people that are supposed to use this Dudu Osun African black soap. In fact, everybody can use it. As I said it earlier, everybody can use it. A combination skin can use it, a normal skin can use it, a dry skin can use it, an oily skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it. In fact, everybody can use it. And the roles it plays on the skin is that it removes dark armpit, it clears dark spots on the skin, it brings out your natural glow, it exfoliates the skin, and it helps you achieve even toned skin. It also leaves a very nice smell on your skin, and it's lighting the skin when you use it consistently. When you use it consistently, you see the exact skin tone that you want. Okay, we have the original one, which is this one, and we have the fake one. So please be critical careful when buying this soap, because everybody is trying to do something or to make money. So you should be careful when buying Dudu Osun African black soap. Okay, get the original one and use. If you have issue with acne on your face, or maybe you are a dark skinned person and you have acne on your face, trust me, you can grab this Dudu Osun African black soap and use on your face. But then don't use this soap direct on your face. If you are someone with a sensitive skin, make sure you don't use this soap direct on your face. Make sure you get a cotton face towel. Use the soap on it, add water to it, and use it to wash your face. You are supposed to use this soap morning and evening. Since you want to exfoliate the skin, or you want your skin to be very smooth and soft, before you bath, make sure you add water to the soap. Apply it on the skin and wait for some few minutes. It can be 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Let it be well dried on you. After that minute, you can wash it off. Then you bath with the same soap. Please use it consistently. If you have issue with dark knuckles, you have issue with dark armpits, you have issue with dark inner thighs, or your face is uneven tone and you want your face to be in uniform, make sure you use Dudu Osun African black soap. Use it consistently, use it very well, and trust me, it's going to play a very magic role on your skin, and it's going to help you to glow. It brightens the skin, it lightens the skin, it repairs the skin, it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, and it makes the skin very firm. Beautiful people, this is Latini Skincare channel. This is a channel where we share reviews on all skincare products, be it lotion, a scrub, a soap, a face cream, or anything pertaining skincare. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. To my return subscribers, thank you for coming, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you. See you in my next video. Have a nice evening and bye-bye.